My friend, you will cry. You will cry. Yes. How do you like the frames though? I love them. Naka abadi. So today tunaenda at TV47. Shalom, brothers and sisters. How you doing? I'm doing great. I'm doing superb. Guys, nimeboeka na hii nywele. I think now it's time to let it go. It's been 4 months. I've been having these locks on. Imenisaidia sana by the way. Stress ya kukwanga ya kushuka. Ati unafikiria ni utashuka next month. Ama mara unafaa kustyle nywele in the morning before utoke. Haikuwa inanipata those few months that nimekuwa na. So I was thinking like nikuwe na free hair for like 2 months, October, November, then maybe late December I can redo them, or even January, I don't know. So yeah, niko hapo tu, niko in between juu kuna styles zenye zina come up, kuna zenye zina trend zenye nataka ku try. So na siwezi try nikiwa na locks on. So wanted to get rid of them kidogo tu, then ni experiment kidogo before nywele ianze katika. Alafu pia I'm concerned about my edges, like hizo niziko hapa mbele, sitaki kukaa nywele inaanzia hapa. I do not want. Nilishaanza kutoa, niliboa jana. Nimeanza kutoa huku. Sijui kama mnaona. This is your sign. Kama uko na artificial locks na umekaa nazo more than 4 months, zitoe sahi, alafu urudishe hata kama ni next week. Wash nywele vizuri, yani ikae fresh tena, then urudishwe. Ukingoja kukaa nazo until 9 months, my friend, you will cry. You will cry. Yes. This is the reason why watu wengi wako na bad reviews about artificial locks. Munakaa nazo for too long. So yeah, let me go look for something to eat, then continue to do my hair. God nisaidie. Hii nitaimaliza hii. Anyways, gosh. Hi, how you doing? I did my hair. The last time you saw me, guys, I had my locks on. Where edges were. Edges mekatika. I will show you my hair nini at the end, maybe when I'm getting my makeup done. Let me redo my nails and I'll be back. Hey, I want to show you I got a new prescription because I'm getting blinder, and finally imekuja. So today tunaenda nita the TV47, so mnaweza niona kwa TV zenu very soon. I have astigmatism and I've been getting these migraines for a long time now. And nikasema hapana, let me go and get my eyes checked. I have glasses, hizo zingine ziko huko, but hadi vile nilipewa sikusikia nikazi na nisaidia as much juu za ku reduce too light. So I decided to get new prescriptions. Nilienda nikafanyia the test all over again, and I was tested for astigmatism because the symptoms that I have been having zimekuwa zikiendanisha sana na za astigmatism. So nikamwambia maybe it's that, so when you test me you look at that as well. Na ni kweli ilipatikana ni hiyo niko nao, and nikapewa glasses. How am I looking? How do you like the frames? Nazipendaje, unazionaje? So these ones really never like helped me that much. I'm sure mmeona na hizi some of you. At least I also got the chance to choose a frame that inanitosha. Juu ingine ilikuwa kubwa. Anyways, pray for me guys, I am getting blinder. How do you like the frames though? I love them. Naka abadi. So today tunaenda at TV47. I was about to do my makeup and ndo nikaambiwa that tunafanyiwa makeup kwa studio, but naona kinaweza turamba. Still skeptical, naona nitabeba makeup yangu. So tunaenda TV47 is my choir. I can sing, yeah. And finally I got my nails done. I did my nails and they're so cute, man. Look at them. First of all, I love how they turned out. I did stiletto as usual, and this time I went with a bright color. I removed the cheetah print because ilikuwa imeanza kubit kidogo juu mimi ni firstborn, mimi ni mboch kwetu. So I also undid my locks and I did these twists. I love how it turned out. And even though nenda nikika, let me oil this head. It's so itchy. I usually apply this. It's almond oil. I usually apply it on my scalp. Then hii serum inakwanga ya wig Ludois, but naona nitaipaka kwa nywele kuipea shine kidogo na fragrance. But I love the hair, I love everything. Aya, acha tuende tukafanyia makeup na professionals tuone wenye wako certified sasa. I didn't get to do my makeup, but we're here. Ushaikula ugali ya posho meal? Kitu slap sana. So today I am making some maize yende posho meal isiagwe. It's not like I do this all the time, but sometimes it's good when we're back to the roots. In my family, we are trying to change how we eat. This is minimizing a lot of red meat and trying to eat whole foods and minimize on processed foods. And actually, this is a good start. Ugali ya posho meal na kwanga more nutritious. No sichagua ati grades review what. Take the first one. Ile ya kwanza, ile ya inaitolei vitu mingi, hiyo sasa. Chukua hiyo, fanya yako mzuri, ubebe uende home and it is perfect. Mimi zangu naoshanga mahindi, naeka kwa jua zinakauka, then someone else takes them to the posho meal zikasiagwe. Again, I don't do this as often as it seems. But I loved it. There's something about this whole process that made me feel like wife material. Yeah, I know you know what I mean. Since I don't have a job, like kazi yangu ni kukua tu a firstborn, I just do home duties, stay at home, clean. I'm a neat freak, like germaphobe 100%. So I wash everything with soap and water after. So after I'd done everything, I took a shower and went to school to make sure my clearance process, since I'm graduating soon, inaendelea vizuri, and thank God everything was good. And hey, the sun loves my skin, man. Anyways guys, we have come to the end of this vlog. If you have not subscribed, you know the daily dream, the daily mantra. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, copy link to share, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Find me on IG by the link in the description box, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Till next time, it's a bye from me. I love you. Mwah.